The phrase full coverage gets thrown around a lot, but here's the truth. There's no official policy called full coverage. It's really just a mix of liability, comprehensive, and collision insurance bundled together. The question is, do you actually need all three? If you're financing or leasing a car, the short answer is yes. Lenders almost always require full coverage because they want to protect the vehicle until it's paid off. But if you own your car outright, it's up to you. Think about it this way. If your car is brand new or still has a high value, full coverage can be a lifesaver. Let's say you get into an accident and your car is totaled. Without comprehensive and collision, you'd be covering that loss completely on your own. But with full coverage, you're only responsible for your deductible. On the flip side, if you're driving an older car that's not worth much, paying for full coverage every month might not make sense. If the cost of insurance over a couple of years adds up to more than your car is worth, you might be better off sticking with liability and saving the difference. At the end of the day, full coverage isn't about checking a box, it's about peace of mind. If the idea of paying out of pocket for a major repair or replacement stresses you out, it's probably worth it. But if you can afford to replace your car yourself and want to save money month to month, you might not need it. The key is looking at your financial situation and your car's actual value, then deciding what feels right for you. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.